Behold, our sunny friend with a funny, cartoonish face trembles. With an a coo, the heavens pour down rain, leaving everyone bemused and scampering for cover. The sun sneezed, inviting a watery surprise, echoes the narrator's voice. Another sneeze, another wonder. Snow drifts gently as people, wrapped in amazement, bundle up. This playful sun, with uncontrollable sneezes, brings unexpected thunder and lightning. With popping sneezes, wild wonders unfold. After the storm, serenity returns. The sun relaxes, painting the sky with a stunning rainbow as applause and laughter fill the air. Every sun needs to sneeze, blessing us with rainbows, concludes our narrator. Text on screen. Like and subscribe for more sunny stories.